Swifty.
Tell about the jam like troops in Pakistan. Swinging through your town like your neighborhood Spider-Man. So tick tock, keep ticking. When I get to flipping off the seat, I'm kicking. The Lone Ranger, cold red, danger. It's hard to walk the handle, too hot to handle your battle. You say goodbye to the gamble. Rough neck, respect the tax on the set. The rebel, I make more noise than heavy metal.
Oh, yo, where your boys? You got a power. Where your boys? You got a power.
Who'll be the rap assassinator? Rhymes rugged and built like Schwarzenegger. And I'ma get mad deep like a crack. Blow up the project, then take all your assets. Cause I came to shake your frame in half with the thoughts that bomb. Shit like that. So if you wanna try to flip, don't flip on the next man. Cause I grab the clip, man. Beat you with 16 shots and all I got. Going to war with the mountain by high. It's the method man for short, Mr. Rap. Moving on your way.
Wow, there was some hatred in there, man. Did you see that? And did you taste the the essence was there. We had a conversation earlier. So, judges, 1, 2, 3. No respect,